Hello everybody, I'm here to unbox the Subotech S909 Pro. Okay, I made a note on the phone box which I ordered it in. Okay, what you find in the box is the goodie bag, right? In the bag you find the spoiler for the truck. It's a Truggy version. A rather cheapish looking USB charger. The sticker sheet for the car, which I'm going to put on later. Okay, that looks quite nice. Some spare parts. And okay, a very thin looking user manual. It's folded pages like this. Right, and then also of course in the box you find a transmitter. Okay, to me this is a very cheap looking transmitter. It's very plasticky. Plastic is thin. The action wheel feels funny, and that also doesn't feel quite right. And this is supposed to be a Pro version. And then you find the Truggy, right? Okay, the Truggy, I've got a bit of big mixed emotions about this one. It's supposed to be a Pro version, right? The wheelie bar is already fitted. And look at all this very small and flimsy looking wheelie bar wheels. I don't know how long this is going to last. Furthermore, I didn't expect this on a Pro version, but guys, I will have to fit all shocks for this if I really want to enjoy driving this. This comes with spring shocks, very nice looking friction shocks, but friction shocks nonetheless. Okay, the tires look quite nice, but when I feel them, no foam inside, and they also feel very plasticky tires. I mean, they don't feel a lot like the other tires I'm used to, that I know for the other RC cars. Okay, what's nice about this one? You see there's no body clips. Okay, because this one is held on by Velcro straps. Okay, there you see it's held on by Velcro strips. There's the on the inside. Inside of the bike is also Velcro strips. And then the guiding pins for the Velcro strips as well. The car comes with a 1500 milliamp hour 7.4 volt lithium ion pack, not LiPo. Okay, what I like about this is that it's very well covered. The motor is well covered, the ESC is well protected here. What I heard is that this is a 2840 brushless motor, which if it's the same kV, it's the same motor as in the HPX 16889A Pro. It has a 2-in-1 ESC receiver, so there's no separate receiver for this one. It's got a metal drive shaft, and then what I like about this drive shaft is quite low and it's well protected underneath here, and it's got a channel underneath here for the drive shaft. Okay guys, and this concludes my short review of this truck. Okay, it's also got metal drive shafts, before I forget, metal drive shafts. And I didn't look inside, but I also heard that it's got a metal drivetrain, so metal differentials, metal inners for the differentials. So that's also a good point for this car. So it's almost like the 16889A Pro, but not quite there. What I also can maybe deduce, it looks like it's got a 3-wire servo if I look at those wires, but I'm not sure because it's covered. And then also it's got lights in the front that's plugged in here. And that concludes my very short review of this Subotech S909 Pro. Okay, in my next video I'll be doing the speed runs for this after I fitted all shocks, because I don't want to drive this thing without all shocks and then damage it, because the spring-loaded shocks is going to make it jump all over the place.